Why did the senior refuse to get a safe shower installed? Because he didn't want to wash away his old habits. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on safe showers for seniors. Tip 1. Install grab bars. Often seniors may lose their balance, especially on wet, slippery surfaces like bathrooms. Installing grip bars offers support, balance and a sense of security when they are showering. The bars should be installed where they are easily reachable and not in difficult positions, which might lead to excess stretching. Tip 2. Use non-slip mats. It is common for showers to be slippery due to soap and water. Using rubber mats or stickers within the shower and outside on the bathroom floor can reduce the risk of slipping and falling. Tip 3. Keep essential items nearby. Make sure to keep all the essentials such as shampoo, soap, washcloth and towels within easy reach. This minimizes the need to stretch or strain to get something which could potentially lead to falls. Tip 4. Consider a shower chair. A shower chair is a safe and comfortable option for seniors who struggle with balance or standing for a long time. They can sit while bathing, reducing the risk of slips and falls. Tip 5. Install a handheld shower head. A handheld shower head can make showering easier, especially for seniors who have mobility issues. It can be used while sitting on a shower chair and target specific areas without the need of moving much. Tip 6. Ensure proper lighting. Make sure the bathroom and particularly the shower area is well lit. This can help prevent trips and falls by making it easier for seniors to see where they're stepping. Tip 7. Maintain a comfortable water temperature. Ensure the water temperature is comfortable and not too hot, as high temperatures can cause burns and dizziness. You may want to consider a water temperature regulator to maintain a consistent, safe temperature. Tip 8. Keep the area clean and dry. Regularly clean the shower area to eliminate soap scum and mildew, which can make surfaces slippery. After each usage, dry the floor to avoid slipping. Tip 9. Use soap dispensers. Instead of using conventional soap bars, which can easily slip out the hands and cause a fall, consider using soap dispensers which are easier to handle and control. Tip 10. Routine inspection of equipment. Regularly inspect all safety equipment like grab bars, shower chairs, non-slip mats to make sure they are securely installed and in good condition. Tip 11. Encourage supervision. If possible, try to have a caregiver or family member nearby during shower time. It can give the senior a sense of security, knowing help is nearby and can offer assistance when required. This significantly lowers the chance of accidents.